Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the stock market. And today, my friends, it was a crazy day. Today the stock market really went like full berserker, but to the upside. So 3.56%, the Nasdaq up just today. So this is, if we look at the one-day chart, oh my god, guys, look at this, 12,800 points. So, and how has this been triggered? Yeah, this has been triggered by yesterday by the Fed, Jay Powell. I'm sure you heard about the story. So 25 basis points, so 0.25% increase of the interest rates, and yeah, everything is possible, of course, that we even see higher interest rates if the inflation is not going down, but the market think the inflations are going down, and therefore they were like jumping back to tech stocks, and probably the stock that is really yeah, let's say the stock that really went totally crazy, that's Meta this today. I mean 28.9% it was up at one point. So yeah, I'm invested in a lot of tech stocks. I'm also invested in Meta, guys, and I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a YouTuber, you know the story. Don't buy anything I'm talking about. But on this video and this channel, guys, we are looking also at some gaming stocks, and for this I chose 3 interesting gaming stocks, 3 of our gaming stocks we talk a lot about on this channel. And if we look now here about Ubisoft, let's have a look at Ubisoft, guys. Today alone, 9.12% Ubisoft up. So that's pretty amazing. However, my friends, if you look at Ubisoft, if you look at the 5-year chart, for example, let's go for the max chart. So of course we're still massively down. So we're just coming back a little bit from the 1885 lowest point now in 1st of February. So about 9.12% today. So sounds good, but don't get overexcited. So I really have to say this, don't get overexcited. So also, what news do we have with Ubisoft? More brothers to take full economic ownership of Ubisoft stake. Ubisoft staff take strike action after troubling weeks at the company. 3 weeks ago we had some 2 days ago, Ubisoft workers in Paris hold strike, and amid company turmoil, Assassin's Creed maker sinks to even year lower. So all of this, guys. So, and also I think you must have heard about Electronic Arts. Maybe I'm also just sneaking it here in. Yeah, let's sneak Electronic Arts in, guys. So just for the record, here, look at this. This is the 5-day chart, and I'm sure you remember what happened there. So they had some terrible earnings. So I didn't cover this because so much was going on with other stocks, but Electronic Arts had terrible earnings. And finally we have the transcript. Then I'm going to read this a bit more, and then we can discuss Electronic Arts more. So I think that's important, because now also the new data here is not yet in there in the income statement, so I can't see it now here, but I'm going to check out the transcript. So another stock, my friends, that also had an incredible good day is actually Embracer, THQ Nordic, the Swedish gaming holding. This could just be like I mean, I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not giving you any finance advice, guys, sorry, but is this a turnaround? It's very difficult to say. So I mean, if you look here at the chart, all right, and you say, oh, since the 13th of December we went up 26%. It's true. So I wanted to buy a little bit more actually, and now we're up again, but we're not that much up that I would say now that it's all lost cases. So but we will go up, and we will also come down again. So don't worry on this, guys. So there are going to be enough opportunities to buy more of those stocks as well. Then another title I talk about always a lot, of course, is PROJEKT, the Polish gaming company. And there I have to say, since August, my friends, 87% up. 87% up. Imagine you were buying here at the low. You would have made not some calls, options or anything. You would have made 87%. So is it going to continue like this? Well, guys, I don't know, but everything is possible. But 87% up since that's guys, that's simply crazy. So look at this. But yeah, CD Projekt really has been hammered, has been really suffered a lot, and this is a healthy counter movement, and hopefully we can stay at those values, and then we can see if it's if we have the chance to go even up more. So guys, also I want to show you the overall picture. So now that's a little bit small, but this is let's say the kind of the heat map of some of the gaming stocks that I follow. So Embracer, Unity also 10% up, and then I actually can zoom. Here we go. I'm just zooming a bit, but the quality goes a bit down. So Embracer Group is up, Unity is 10% up, Ubisoft, as I said, 9%. Frontier, the British gaming company Frontier, is also up. CD Projekt, Sony is 477. Microsoft is of course up. Digital Pros, the Italian company, Media and Games. Yeah, but sometimes people ask me what I think about this company, so I didn't really analyze it so much, and it's more like a publicity, a marketing company for games. So it's not really a real gaming company. I think that's what I understood. It's more media than games, but I want to read a little bit more into this, so don't be too harsh on me. So AMD 4.34%, which is actually not so good if I look at all the other tech stocks today. GameStop even up, NVIDIA also a bit up, Logitech, Camcon, Paradox, Take-Two is up again, Corsair finally 2% up, even Nakon is up, Rovio is up, Bigben is also up, Square Enix, I'm going to talk about this company a little bit more in detail at one of my next videos. Krafton is up, Team 17, 11-bit, and then if we scroll a bit down, we see then Electronic Arts even down today. Tencent is down. Oh my god, Tencent is down. Starward Industry and Ultimate Games is down. So Ultimate Games is actually one of the gaming companies that run the worst. So also plan actually to show you my gaming company portfolio. So I think this could be really fun if we would if I would share this with you, so also with the real values, and then I can show you a little bit how I invest in gaming companies. So guys, not a financial advisor here, just a YouTuber. This is for information, entertainment purposes only, so please always make up your own mind. Don't buy anything I'm talking about on my channel, but I can just tell you, where is the Nasdaq going? I really want to know. I don't think we can hold like this and not just go straight to the 16,000. I think we might probably fall again a little bit. So everything is possible, but what is more important, that we build some build some bottom, some consolidation, that we have some consolidation. All of this is very important, healthy for the stock market, even if today the market was extremely cool and extremely nice. Since I'm a long-term investor, buy and hold, and I made a cash load of money, guys, so I love it. So all right, with that, I'm leaving it here. So see you next time. Bye bye. 3 amazing stocks today, guys. See you. Bye bye.